Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the one-step hairdryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous results. Style confidently.
Get perfect, long-lasting volume with Revlon's Perfect Style 3x ceramic and ionic 4-piece hot air kit. For smoothing out hair, use the 1 1/4 inch brush attachment. For added volume, use the 1-inch barrel attachment and hold the brush close to the roots. Set your style using the concentrator on the cool setting. Make beautiful, long-lasting volume happen with Revlon.
Looking for a one-step salon-worthy blowout? Aima Beauty has got you covered. First, towel dry your hair and then comb through. Then, turn it on to your desired level. In just one step, you can not only dry your hair, but also add volume. It's easy to use. You can even lift the roots and add a little wave at the bottom. Get this gorgeous salon-style look with less frizz and more volume with the Aima One-Step Hair Dryer.
For 2 great looks with one simple tool, try the Revlon Perfect Heat Tourmaline Ceramic Hot Air Styler. Get multiple looks while leaving hair frizz-free and full of shine. The Revlon Hot Air Styler comes with 2 attachments. The 1-inch barrel is perfect for creating soft curls and waves, while the 1 1/2-inch wider barrel can be used for straighter looks with a touch of volume. The hot air brush also comes with cool tips for easy handling while you style. For best results, fill a spray bottle with water and lightly spritz hair to dampen. Then section your hair into multiple layers using sectioning clips. For curls and waves, secure the smaller 1-inch brush to the base of the unit and twist into place. Turn the unit on, then place the brush at the roots near the scalp and run it to the ends of your hair. Once the brush is near the end, roll it close to the root of your hair and hold in place for a few seconds while the heat sets the curl. Repeat on remaining sections of hair. Once you finish, gently tousle curls to add volume and complete your look. For straighter styles, secure the 1 1/2-inch brush attachment onto the unit. Place the brush at the roots near the scalp and run it to the ends. Continue to repeat this process across remaining sections of hair. Once finished, you'll see your hair transform into smooth, voluminous locks. No matter which look you desire, the Revlon Hot Air Brush is perfect for changing up your style. Whether it's soft curls or voluminous blowouts, the outcome is stunning results.